Music for the people.
They call me Young JV. I'ma break it down, shutting down your hometown. They call me Young JV. Let me break it down every time I come around.
Let's meet our players from Tambayan 101.9, Team DJs. Martin D, DJ Chacha, DJ Tony, DJ Arnold, and DJ Charlie. Welcome. Team singers natin, Yoy Volante, Aya, Young JV, Sabrina, and OJ Mariano. Welcome to the show. Okay, pagalingan kayo ha. Welcome to the show. Hi, Yoy. Okay. Ang kailangan nyong gawin lang, di ba? Maganda teamwork nyo at mabilis at magaling kayo mag-memorize. May strategy na ba kayong dalawa? Okay, so simula naman kasi madali. 5 numbers na ang kailangan i-memorize hanggang you can choose your own jackpot. Kasi pwede kayong pumili from all the way up to from all the way up to 30 numbers that will give you 200,000 pesos. See 25 numbers na magbibigay naman sa inyo ng 150,000 pesos. Or you can attempt not so hard 20 numbers na magbibigay sa inyo ng 120,000 pesos. Or yung pinakasimple na 17 numbers na merong 100,000 pesos. Pero kailangan nga talaga isa sa inyo mapataog. Pag may natalo na, merong mag-go all the way to the jackpot. Okay? So, Team DJs, Team Singers, let's play Perfect Combination! Papaalala ko lang sa inyo, ha? Baka mawala, please keep. Okay. Papaalala ko sa inyo, you have to hear me say the word go bago kayo magpipipindot. Yung go na yan, mahiwaga yung go na yan. Dahil minsan, ito-torture ko kayo at hindi pa ako mag-go-go. Okay? O, Team DJs, let's start off. 3 seconds, 5 numbers. Eto na! Team DJs, good luck. Go!
1, 3, 5, 3, 4.
Oh, Team Singers, from our experience, yung 2 groups na pinakamagaling na naglaro dito nanggaling sa PGT at PDA. Kasi nga, magaling mag-memorize ang mga singers. Kaya, Team Singers, 3 seconds, 5 numbers, eto na! Team Singers, go! 2, 4, 2, 1, 5. Ayun, hihirap ka ng konti. Nakalima kayo. Now we're going to the 7 digits. It's still 3 seconds para ma-memorize ninyo. Team DJs, eto na! Team DJs, go!
2.
Nag-double ka daw. Nandito ako eh. Nasa likod ako, di ko nakita. Twice, I'm sorry, DJ. Okay.
Hindi naman yun sa...
Double buzz. Once na nag-double buzz tayo, wala na yun. Okay. Singers, you have to get through this round in order for you to choose your jackpot. Just because natalo na sila, it doesn't mean automatic na panalo kayo at makakapag-jackpot. Lagpasan nyo muna itong 7 numbers na to that you need to memorize in 3 seconds. Team Singers, eto na.
1, 3, 2, 3.
Team Singers, go! 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 5.
Gago.
Tapos na ang laban ninyo. Uuwi kayo ng 10,000 pesos. Team Singers, at this point, you already have 20,000 pesos. But, nasa sa inyo kung palalakihin natin yan. If you choose the 17 numbers na ating jackpot, you'll win 100,000 pesos. If If you choose 20 numbers, 120,000 pesos. Kung 25 numbers naman ang pipiliin ninyo, 150,000 pesos. And if you choose 30 numbers, 200,000 pesos. Pag-isipan nyo, pag-usapan ninyo. Joy, anong decision? 20 ang choice nila. 20 numbers for 120,000 pesos. This is, of course, a test of your concentration. Kasi, pinaalala ko sa inyo kanina, di ba? Until I say the word go, hindi kayo pwedeng magpipipindot. Okay? So, 20 numbers ang kailangan yung i-memorize at mapindot. You will have 7 seconds to memorize the 20 numbers. And kung tama kayo, mag-uwi kayo ng 120,000 pesos. 20 numbers. Team Singers, eto na! Gusto ko, pati kayo excited! Cellphone! Cellphone na ako! Jerome Grande! Jerome! Hello, Jerome! Welcome! Jerome, you... Ay! Kinis lang! Very good, okay? Ano? Ay, sundalong papa niya! Tama ba strategy nila? Mag-uwi na ba sila ng 120,000 pesos? Team Singers! Good luck! Go! 3, 4, 5, 2, 3.
2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 2, 1.
Galing!
Tell us about the strategy. Anong ginawa mo, Nyoy? Naglalakad ka doon. Ano?
Hindi, kasi nag-assign na kami ng 5 numbers.
What's your number? Okay.
Tapos,
Focus talaga on those 5 numbers. Ang galing ninyo! They choose their jackpot. And because they chose their jackpot, they are going home with a total of 150,000! Kasi nanalo kayo.
also po sa SM Dasma mamaya and always Sunday sa Asabay.
Alright, Sabrina?
I have my newest album is coming out soon, but for now, please get a copy of my album, I Love Acoustic too.
Alright. Aya?
Yes, album launch on ASAP on September 12th, so please.
OJ?
August 28 and 29 I'll be in Singapore, 28 sa Platinum Bar, 29 naman sa Hong Lim Park. And September 16 I'll be at Sofitel Nadal for the benefit show sa The Cabaret.
Ang galing ninyo. Thank you so much. If you want to choose your jackpot sa perfect combination, madali lang sumali. All you have to do is text REG, that's R-E-G space, win space, your name / your age / your gender / and your address at Kung Globe PM at Sun, send that to 2331. And for Smart and Talk and Text, send that to 231. Team Singers, 20,000 una plus 100